Hey everybody, Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing. Here's a question for you. Is invisible glass the best glass cleaner out there? I've got the answer. No. I don't really think that it is. I prefer using a paint prep. But. This video is actually why I think you should have a bottle of this with you as a pro detailer. Just one bottle, and I'll tell you why, and then I'll show you why I actually really like this product. Ease of access, price point, just general availability. I'm pretty sure this is easy to find. You can get this at most, AutoZone, O'Reilly, that kind of thing. And that's why I think it's an important video to do. So while this truck rolls in, I'll get started. Have you ever tried doing an interior detail, but you want to make sure that the outside windows are nice and clean? So you're not doing the full body wash because your customer's paying for an interior detail. I know some shops give away an exterior hand wash with their details, but I don't do that. However, I do want to make sure all my windows are clean. Sometimes I'll take my Optimum No Rinse with a Magic Eraser. The Magic Eraser gets filled with dirt. It's very difficult. So for exterior windows, let me tell you why I love this product. And it's the foam. So I'm probably using too much product, as I often do, and it smells kind of like ammonia, right? This is kind of like a paint prep in its own way. At least it smells like it, right? The isopropyl alcohol kind of smell. Anyway, you can see it clinging, right? And that's emulsifying the dirt as far as I can tell. And what I really like about this is just, you know, you want to use your standard 2-towel method here, right? So I've still got a lot of gunk on the glass. What I'm going to do is hit it with one more waffle weave. It's just an excellent, easy way to touch up exterior windows. I love that it foams up and does a lot of that cleaning for you. As we all know, interior windshields are the devil, and sometimes they defy explanation. Where I've found success on interior windows with invisible glass is when I try my Magic Eraser process with my paint prep, and I've done videos to that, so I'll just link one up here on kind of my latest glass cleaning techniques. But every once in a while there's still streaks, and I cannot figure out what the heck is going on. And so I'll put a towel on the dash, remember this is on the interior, and I'll do what I just did on the exterior. I'll foam up the entire interior windshield in a way that helps cling to everything, whatever's left, and then I do my 2-towel method, right? Wipe down the gunk, maybe take a fresh clean towel and do a final interior wipe down. Just kind of a quick video, you guys, but invisible glass, like I said, it's not my favorite. Streak-free guaranteed. I have no idea what that means because that's false. All glass cleaners, as Scott from Dallas Paint Correction once said, are total garbage. It's all about the technique, guys. So if you're wondering how to get clean glass, you've probably seen this product before. It's worth having in your arsenal because of its foaming characteristics, because it's easy to find, because I've been using this for a couple weeks and it still feels like there's a lot in there. I feel like you get a lot out of this bottle. So, like I said, not the best glass cleaner out there, but certainly worth having in your arsenal. It does a fine job on interior windows. You may still want to stick with the Magic Eraser attempt, and then the paint prep, and finally this as your emergency wipe down. But as everybody knows, you're trying to get the windows done, you're trying to get to the next job, you're trying to be done, and you're fighting all these streaks. It's worth it to have another weapon in your arsenal to get that worst part of the detail done. We save it till last. We're always tired, but you can't do the windows first, right? Why is this guy behind me? What is he doing? What does he think he has a job? I'm making a YouTube video. Anyway, as far as that goes, invisible glass, what do you guys think? Have you used it? You think it's garbage? Decent? Not so decent? Amazing? Share your thoughts, comments, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.